I'm in a Tesla Model S P100D. Next to me is a Porsche Panamera Turbo S hybrid. Next to that is a BMW M5 competition pack, and over there is a Mercedes-AMG GT 4-door S. So I've got twin electric motors with a combined 680 horsepower. The Porsche has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 with an electric motor and a combined 680 horsepower. The BMW has a 4.4-litre twin-turbo V8 with 625 horsepower. And to tell you about the Mercedes-AMG, I have a guest driver. It's Yianni from Yiannimize. So then, Yianni,
tell me about your car. Hi, Matt.
So I'm in a 4-litre
Twin-turbo V8
with 640 brake horsepower, and it's in matte grey.
nice colour.
The last time you went up against me in a Tesla,
You didn't do so well, did you?
No, I lost one.
Bye-bye, Yianni.
And I won one.
Damn it! He's definitely got me.
I've never actually driven a Tesla.
at speed.
Can we swap?
I thought you said electric cars were boring.
Boring.
They are, but...
I want to feel what this ludicrous mode is like.
And it's only fair, you always drive them. You always drive the fastest car, so...
Let's be fair for once in our lives.
Well, I think he called me out there, didn't he? You guys always complain that I win, so let's give him a chance.
Right, Yianni, you can drive the Tesla.
Woo-hoo! Better take my mic with me.
Bye, Merc.
Damn it!
Good luck. Ludicrous mode, here I come.
Seeing as he's never driven that, I bet he doesn't know how to operate it. We'll just see, see if he can pin for himself.
I'm not used to Tesla. How do you do ludicrous mode?
It should already be fine, don't worry about it.
No, don't try it. Don't cheat.
Listen, be fair.
It's like an iPad. Where'd you start? What'd you push?
Okay, what you do, you put your finger on the button
That says ludicrous, and you just press and hold it, and you should get this weird, like, effect on the screen.
Was it Star Wars? No, I want my mummy. Yes, bring it on.
You probably really want your mummy, but...
Be brave and hit the yes, bring it on. That's done.
Right, then all you do, you floor the brake.
Put the car into drive, and then you jump the throttle down and release the throttle, and then it'll say launch mode enabled. Then you release the brake, and when you want to launch, you just floor the throttle and keep going, and it will just fire off.
Yeah, sounds really, really simple. 1 second.
Whereas in this Mercedes, I can just have things in sport mode. In fact, I'm going to go in race mode. It's that easy.
This is why I don't want an electric car.
Are you there yet? 1 second.
Yes, bring it on.
I'm in launch now. I don't know how long it's going to hold it though.
Let's go.
Now, before we do race, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Also, check us out on Instagram at CarWowCars and check out Yianni's channel, Yiannimize.
No, I want my mummy. Yes, bring it on. Who thinks of these things? Look at the runner to your right, Matt. Look behind them to your right. Where has he come from?
And what kind of a run is that? Come on, Mercedes.
Come on, Tesla.
3, 2, 1.
All good start. Oh, that Tesla's so quick!
Oh my God!
Come on, Mercedes.
100 mile an hour, 110, 120.
Drop the Porsche. The BMW has just not done anything.
The G-force in this is...
Unbelievable.
That thing is insane, isn't it?
Your head spins. I'm actually shocked, like, wow.
Yeah, don't get too carried away there.
You'll start to use up too much battery power. With We haven't got the charging cable with us. Well, it seems the Tesla has won Yianni over to electric power. But by exactly how much did it win the race? Well, the Model S P100D did the standing quarter mark in 10.8 seconds. The AMG GT 4-door took 11.1 seconds. The Porsche Panamera Turbo 11.2 seconds. And the poor BMW M5 competition did it in 12.4 seconds. Which was quite a lot off the pace. So we ran the race again. But the result was the same. Now let me explain. You see, the problem is the M5's launch control system just isn't that reliable and often causes the engine to bog. However, in a previous video when I managed a rare good launch in an M5 competition, it did the stunning quarter in 11.1 seconds, which was the same as I got in the AMG GT 4-door here. Now I hope that stops you Bimmer fanboys getting all salty. Anyway, it's 1-0 to Yianni.
This car's so lovely.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour.
All of them are finished, they got no chance.
All the fossil fuel cars are going to be in third gear, locked in third gear. Tesla's obviously, it's electric, no gearbox, no nothing. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go!
Bye!
Oh God!
I love this car!
The way that just shut off. It's neck and neck between me and the Porsche.
Oh my God, I love this car. Oh, he's coming.
Now I'm reeling the Tesla in.
Oh, hello, he's coming. I'm not braking.
I'm going to have him. I'm going to have him.
I better brake.
I got him. I got him.
You gained on me real quick there.
To be fair, I wasn't 100% confident with my brakes, so
I went a little bit early.
I think I came past you around 130 miles an hour. I think I was going to take you there.
can I have that one?
I've won that one, yeah?
You know what, I'll give it to you, but we did run out of road.
Yes, one each. Now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour when we hit the cone. Full emergency stop.
These lot brakes so late. It's on the cone.
I totally ain't having that, Yianni. You were like,
Stop halfway down the stretch. When am I supposed to brake? You said...
When the front hits the cone, yeah?
yeah, you were nowhere near the cone. You were like about 10 metres from it.
Okay, you know what, I'll hold my hands up on that one. I'm happy to do that again.
With this being the decider, I insisted on a rerun.
When do you want me to brake as we go through the cone?
Like when your nose
It's level with the cone.
All right.
not before it,
Not after it.
level. It's coming
Down. There's the cone.
Winner.
Yeah, you didn't cheat that time either, and you won. Damn it!
Thank you. Not bad. I'm actually impressed this brakes as well as it accelerates. I'm converted to the electric world.
And the thing about that car, and the Porsche actually, when you're braking, you're actually charging up the battery, so you're saving a bit of fuel, so that's good. I'm surprised by the BMW, really surprised by it, because I actually think that...
You beat the BMW.
Let me just check.
Yes, I beat it. Look at Matt running.
I'm as bad as that runner, aren't I? What a camp run. So, in the end, it was 2-1 to Yianni.
Winner.
The Tesla Model S had conquered the Germans, and it had won over Yianni's heart.
Bit of cash. I'd actually be scared how this would do against my Lambo.
Do you know what we should do then?
We're going to have to race it against your Lamborghini.
Can you imagine a 300k car getting beat by this?
What's this, 100,000? 150.
Come on! He should definitely do it, shouldn't he? Click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen if you want to see me drive that against Yianni's Aventador.
Can I afford to be embarrassed again?
Let the public decide. If you enjoyed this video, please click on our logo to subscribe to this channel.
That is literally ludicrous.
or to watch more content on the bottom right hand corner. However, if you want to save money on a car, click on the right to go to our deals page to see how much money you can save at CarWow.